Hello, hello. This is Eric Jones again. Boom! Coming to you with the third in the series of these tutorial videos I promised you guys I was going to put out. But anyway, this video is an overview of the compensation plan. Pretty much in a nutshell, how you get paid, how we get paid in iBoomerang. There is a more detailed explanation at iBoomHub.com, but for right now, this is a great overview. It lets you know exactly what you need to do in iBoomerang. As I said before, I'm still here in Las Vegas. I'm still pumped. I'm excited. Just finished the Vision Conference, and I can't say enough about the professionalism, the excitement, the camaraderie. It's just phenomenal. So I'm giving you this information. I got it today. It came out in the form of just a tutorial for our new TSA, so all of us will be on the same sheet of music. So anyway, I want you to take a look at the video link that's listed below. Click on it, take copious notes as I said before. If you have any questions, watch it again, and watch it again. So y'all take care, y'all take charge, and I will definitely see you guys at the top. Boom!
I wanted to move from something called market share to something called trust share. See, I believe that if we can capture the trust of your heart and your customers' hearts, we'll set ourselves apart from anybody else who even considers themselves to be a competitor. It's not about market share. That's easy to do. That's an easy goal to set. Trust share. That has everything to do with the foundation of the company.